Not the other way. Well, let me move. Nice job, dude.
You just have to get back on your seat.
That's fucking scary shit.
I tell you what, though, this is the first time I've been on a... I got a pivot. Is that
I want to go up.
Bike? Yeah. I used to work for Chris Cotalis when he owned Titus. And he sold Titus and he started doing pivot.
Yeah.
That was 20 years ago. Or 17 years ago.
Right up there, bro.
Where are they?
There.
Are they coming?
Tell them how to roll with the brakes. You want to scout this out before you do it.
These ones. Okay, yeah.
No. You want to scout this.
See you later, man. Have a good ride.
All right, thanks for showing
I'm
us
gonna
the way,
ride
man.
this too.
Yeah.
And then I get my backpack.
Nice. Look at Chris. Wow, he had it.
I was riding right behind him. It's still really high.
Yeah, that's a tough line, man.
I like that line there. That line's doable, seriously.
This is the line.
This is the
line I do.
Yeah, I know. That's fine.
Down my own bike, I'll do it.
That's what I was saying.
Lean back on that.
Do it again, Chris. Go back.
Carlos, it was. You didn't move. You didn't even try and get out of the way.
I did. You didn't pull out.
What do you think, Dave?
You can do this one too.
I think this is the line.
Change this. This is doable.
He just went down and showed us the line.
This one, this is the one I do.
I went through here.
He went right through that crack. Yeah,
I
right
went through
there.
that crack.
I said, do you hear me coming? And you didn't move.
Yeah,
Chris, slow down, slow down, slow down.
but I went in here, I'm pretty sure. I think.
I know, you sound like a bunch of old washerwomen.
Who's going? Section's no joke, dude.
Huh?
Section's no joke.
No, it's not. Oh. I don't think I know.
Is it ticking?
Can't tell.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's going, I think.
So I go left, I'm out your way, right? No, the gap right here. Oh, I saw people
Put that shit on.
come left when I was here about 10 years ago.
Left looks deadly.
There you go.
Lean back, lean back. You got it. That's it. That's perfect.
Hey!
Nice, Tom. Nice.
Awesome.
That's exactly how I went down.
That's why it's called an enduro motherfucking machine, right?
That's how you fucking do it, baby.
Say, who's your daddy,
That's
Waterfall?
how you do it, baby.
The Waterfall's your daddy.
Nice.
Now
Nice,
go up.
dude.
Now go back up. I think I can make it go up.
That was good, dude. That was fucking.
Come to help you. Gonna go pro it.
Oh.
Dude, you didn't go through the gap though. Do the gap.
Oh, no.
Dave, you got that fucking knee. Don't do it.
Yeah, but the bailout is this. Hold up. Stop doing that. Why are you doing it?
Don't start there, dude.
Pat, did you get it out though?
That's what.
Yeah.
Go back. Get back, get back, get back, get back.
Got it.
He's got it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yes!
Sweet.
Rolling, steady rolling. We're not rolling.
Ready.
I got half of it. Good, dude. All right, camera rolling.
Push, go.
I don't know how you. I'm rocky. It's not like.
Got it, you got it. Go.
Yeah, exactly. I think.
All right.
Nice, Pat.
You have it. That's it.
Good save, man. Good save.
Yeah.
Power.
Nice. Oh God.
Oh shit!
Try. That boulder, man.
Oh no, I'm in the wrong gear. Wait,
Every bolt on my rotor.
Nice job. Nice job.